Your ATV sound system sucks. Fix it with the NOAM NUTV5-S QUAD. Bass that slaps hard. Tired of your off-road playlist sounding like a wet noodle? Let's get real, ripping through the trails in your RZR or Ranger should feel epic, not like a silent movie with mud. You finally made it out into the wild, you're hyped, adrenaline's pumping, and then, your audio dies, distorts, or just straight up sucks. You crank the volume and all you get is buzz and bounce. Your power ride turns into power nap. That's not just annoying, it's a vibe killer. Don't let a weak sound system ruin your adventure. You're not crazy, your current setup is holding you back. It's not just you, this is a widespread off-road audio emergency. Listen up, you're not the only one stuck riding dirty with trash-tier speakers. Crushing deadlines, brutal terrain, and a soundtrack that sounds like a dial-up modem? No wonder you're burnt out. Your buddies' machines sound like festivals, and yours sounds like a muffled sneeze. Every trip becomes a test of patience, not performance. Missed bass drops equals missed memories. Don't let your off-road soundtrack be background noise in your own adventure. This is not just a problem, it's an audio crisis. The kind that steals your thunder. Enter the NOAM NUTV5-S QUAD, the ultimate ATV Sound Savior. This beast is no gimmick. It's got that holy shit factor for a reason. The NUTV5-S QUAD packs 4 badass tower speakers, the legendary NSUB subwoofer, and the HS4 amplifier so rugged it makes other systems cry in mono. Waterproof? Check. Bluetooth 4.1? Obviously. Built for RZR 1000, Ranger 1000, and General? You know it. Whether you're on a muddy trail, dune blasting, or just flexing at the lot, this is the sound system that turns heads and slaps bass straight through your chest. You'll feel the music, no exaggeration. Transform your ride, your vibe, and your whole weekend. Want plug-and-play setup? One tool. 1 minute. That's it. Want your side-by-side to sound like a club on wheels? Done. The 3-inch passive radiators bring that bass without bulk. It doesn't just sound big, it feels alive. From trap beats to country twang, everything sounds better when it's blasting from NOAM's fine-tuned engineering. Stop playing it small and start writing large. Hit that link, check the specs, and upgrade your trail game today. We promise, this ain't your cousin's janky Bluetooth boombox. Act now, your next ride deserves to be legendary. Thousands have already made the leap to NOAM audio glory, and now it's your turn. But don't sleep, this system flies off the shelves faster than a RZR hit 60. Limited stock, high demand, and your ride is begging for it. Don't overthink it, join the NOAM movement, crank the volume, and leave boring sound systems in your dust. Your ATV isn't complete without it. Click now. Ride loud. Live louder.